How to recover deleted call history. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover deleted call history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, tap on your Apple ID on the top. After you tap on that, you should see the iCloud option. Head over to iCloud. After you're there, you should head over to your apps, and there you should find your iCloud. Now make sure that your iCloud is backed up, and you will need to back your iCloud up for this method to work. So after you've backed up your iCloud and make sure that it's caught up, what you can do is you can head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, you can scroll down till you find general. Head over there and then scroll down all the way. Now tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on erase all contents. Now if you tap on continue, it will give you a final pop-up with the erase iPhone option. Tap on the erase iPhone option and everything on your iPhone will just get deleted. After doing that, you'll get an option to recover everything using your iCloud. If you recover everything using your iCloud, what will happen is that your messages or call history will also get retrieved or recovered, and that is how you can recover deleted call history on your iPhone. And yeah, that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.